There, welcome back to Marky RC. On the turntable today we have the vintage Tamiya Grasshopper 2 Super G, model number 59501, and was released in, I think it was 1990. It was a 1/10 scale off-road buggy, rear wheel drive, 540 silver cam motor, had a mechanical speed control in the original kit, solid rear axle with a sealed rear gearbox. Big front bumper, stop any crashes, ripping the wheels off. Had a hard ABS plastic body, which the Super Hornet and a couple of other Tamiya cars also share the same body shell. Original decals, which when I purchased the car, they were in the box and never got put on the buggy originally. They can take mild brushless motors quite well. And to be quite fair, they're pretty much indestructible. The differences between the original Grasshopper 2 and the Grasshopper 2 Super G are day glow yellow wheels, which are exactly the same as the Wild One style wheel. Never seen them on any other Tamiya car before. It comes with a rear spiked tyre and a spiked and ribbed front tyre. So quite good tracking if you're on like loose dirt and on the beach. You've got 4 CVA shocks in the kit, oil filled, with a medium spring, a slightly hopped up motor over the original 540 that come in the original kit. And instead of plastic bushings, you've got a full bearing set. I've had this model now quite a while, but they are quite an oddball model. There's not much about, literature about them, or you can't really find out anything really. It was almost like Tamiya sort of cobbled together a slightly upgraded kit just solely to sell more Grasshopper 2s. But I do think it looks pretty cool. Just one out of the collection. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And if you could like and subscribe for a new channel, it'd be super cool. I hope to see you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.